Hey guys, this is Rafiul Islam Ronak from TechJet Gaming. In this video, I am going to review Vivo Y91. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This video was made possible by the help of Hello.com. They are a local shop in Tangail. I give their Facebook link in the description box below. The Vivo Y91 is very nice looking device. It's run with Snapdragon 439 chipset, 3GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, 4030 mAh big battery and 6.22 inch of IPS display with water drop notch. The display was very sharp. I noticed no negativity in this display. The back panel of this device is totally made of plastic and its display protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Let's come on the design of the phone. Design of the phone is actually pretty good. Now the right side we get power button and volume rocker. At the bottom side we get speaker grill, micro USB port and 3.5 mm audio jack. At the left side we get SIM slot and upper side we get nothing, it's totally empty. In the back side we get dual camera, dual tone flash and also get fingerprint sensor for biometric security. Let's go to the software section. The Vivo Y91 is running on Fantas OS on the top of Android Oreo 8.1.0, but the OS is actually pretty good, fast and smooth. Let's come out to the hardware section. The device is running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset. The phone also has running of 3GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and it has also 4030 mAh of big battery. The Antutu benchmark score was about 77,000. Now let's come to the camera section. It has dual camera in the back side, one for primary shooter which is 13 megapixel and the aperture rate was f2.2 with face detection autofocus, and secondary is 2 megapixel depth sensing sensor. There is also many features like HDR, panorama. For selfie we get 8 megapixel of camera which aperture rate is f2.0. Here are some photos and video sample. The video quality of this device is quite good. Now come to the gaming section. The gaming performance of this device is not so good. At first it was lagging, and after some time it was bit smoother. I play PUBG in medium setting. You can also play small game without any kind of lagging. So this is it for today. I will catch up in the next video. Thank you. And please subscribe our channel. It will help us a lot.